I just want you to imagine this. You can go to bed whenever you want and even wake up with no alarm. And when you check your smartphone, you realize that you have made $200 while you sleep. Well, that would feel amazing, right? On top of that, this strategy could be used by all of us, no matter where we come from, as there are no country restrictions or limitations. This is, in my opinion, one of the best affiliate marketing websites out there at the moment. You don't need to have a website or a big social media account for this strategy to work. Most of the methods of making money online rely on having a personal source of traffic. This one is a bit different, as you will be able to get high-quality traffic from an incredible source, which only a few people have covered on YouTube, and I couldn't find any tutorials about it. So make sure to watch this video until the end, as I will be dropping some exclusive tips that will help you make money using this strategy in the right way. You might feel confused if you skip any part. With that being said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. So today's strategy involves 3 different platforms. When it comes to making money online, it's important to use as many platforms as possible to reduce your workload and increase the automation level. But no worries, I will try to go step by step to make it as simple as possible. We first need to go to digistore24.com. This, as some of you might know, is an affiliate marketplace. You can promote a lot of products and make a great commission whenever you sell one. You might be wondering, how can I get traffic? Well, bear with me as I will show you an exclusive traffic source that will potentially get you thousands of clicks on that affiliate link of yours. If you scroll down, you can see some of the features offered by this platform to affiliate marketers. I know many of you are struggling with platforms such as ClickBank, as it's not available worldwide. Digistore24 is supporting all countries around the world, and it has a dedicated automated sales system, which allows you to set up your sales process and run it on Autopilot. You can read through all the other key information available on their homepage. But to save time, I am going to quickly show you how to create a new account, then explain how to make money on this platform and how to get traffic to your affiliate link. Well, simply scroll up and hit on Register Now. You will be taken to this page where you can complete the registration process. I won't go through that as it's easy and straightforward. Once registered, you can start promoting products immediately, and you don't need to wait for approval from the platform or the product owner. Once connected, you can see your dashboard. You can be a vendor if you already have a product, or an affiliate marketer if you want to promote products and make a commission whenever a sale is made. The best part about this platform is the high commissions it shares with the affiliate marketers. You can get up to 90% commission if a product is sold at $100, for example. You can make up to $90 if you get a sale, which won't be a big deal thanks to the website I will be sharing with you in a bit. Anyways, let's choose a product first. You should click on Marketplace and you will be directed to this page. This platform offers a wide range of products in many categories. For example, pets, business and investment, education, and even games and entertainment. I'll just let you choose your favorite niche. There are plenty of products to market here, and you can see the price and the commission right here. You can also check out the cart conversion rate, which should be as high as possible. And of course, you don't want any of the products to be returned, so aim for a low return rate. And that is why I think this is one of the best affiliate marketing websites this year. Once you decide what product to promote, just click here and copy your customized affiliate link. So simple, right? It's finally time for me to show you the traffic source we will use today. It is called adclerks.com. Now, I want to tell you something. This part requires a tiny investment. So if you either don't have any funds or you just don't want to invest any, then you might want to check out some of my other videos where I share 100% free strategies. But I promise you, even though this requires an investment, it's worth it. Well, adclerks.com is a platform where you can find various big websites that are ready to advertise you on their homepage for a small amount of money. The best part is that you can find sites in various categories. For example, SEO and marketing, beauty and fashion, business and finance, education, and so on. The category of sites you will want to pick depends, of course, on the type of offer you choose to promote. You can see the monthly impressions you might get if you put your ads on this website and how much it will cost you. Many websites here get thousands or even million visits every month, and sometimes you only need one sale to break even. You can double-click any website to find more details about the traffic it gets. For example, you can see the traffic source per country, device, and even browser. This is a banner ad service, so you would need to design one according to the dimensions mentioned here. I will show you how to do that for free in a bit, so no worries. This will lead us to the last website we will be using today. It's none other than Canva.com. This is a tool I've shown quite a few times on my channel already. But for those of you who are not familiar with it, Canva is a platform where you can design and create literally any graphic content you might think of, including Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnails, and Facebook posts. You can also create various presentations, book covers, and logos for absolutely free. They do have some paid options, but you won't need them 99% of the time. To design a banner, you first need to connect your account or create one. Then, click on Create a Design. All you need to do now is choose a template and update it if you have to suit your campaign. Make sure to design a highly engaging banner. And once you're done, download it and submit it together with your affiliate link to the advertiser you chose on adclerks.com. And with that, your job is almost done. Just follow up with the advertisers and you will start getting traffic to your affiliate link as soon as the banner goes live. And that's it for today. Let us know in the comment section if you have any questions about the strategy. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, and smash that like button. See you tomorrow with another video on how to make money online.